Hey there, struggling with a Vizio speaker bar that just won't cooperate? In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Vizio speaker bar issues and get your audio back in tip-top shape. Whether it's not turning on, producing poor sound, or having connectivity issues, these solutions can help breathe new life into your sound system. Follow along and let's get that soundbar working perfectly again. Step 1. Check power connections. First things first, let's ensure your Vizio speaker bar is receiving power. Double check that the power cable is securely connected to both the speaker bar and the power outlet. If it's connected, try plugging the speaker into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the original one. It might also be worth trying a different power cable if you have one available. Sometimes just ensuring a solid power connection can solve multiple issues at once. Step 2. Verify audio source and settings. Next, let's assess your audio source. Make sure the device you're using, whether it's a TV, smartphone, or another gadget, is powered on and the volume is at an audible level. Check the cables connecting your audio source to the speaker bar and ensure they're in good condition and securely plugged in. It's a good idea also to cycle through the input options on your Vizio soundbar using the remote control. Doing this will confirm you're on the correct input for your setup. Step 3. Examine cables and connections. Speaking of cables, worn or damaged cables are often culprits when it comes to soundbar problems. Inspect all cables connecting your Vizio soundbar to any devices looking closely for any visible damage like fraying or bending. If you suspect a cable might be to blame, swap it out with a new or known working cable to see if that resolves the issue. Also, try connecting your soundbar with different types of cables such as optical or HDMI to check if one works better than the other. Step 4. Update firmware. Keeping your Vizio speaker bar's firmware updated can help resolve software-related problems. Visit the Vizio website to see if there are any new updates available for your soundbar model. If there are, follow the instructions on the site to download and apply these updates, as they might fix bugs or connectivity issues. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails and your Vizio speaker bar still isn't working as it should, try performing a factory reset. Be cautious, as this will erase all customized settings and restore the soundbar to its original state. Typically, you can perform a factory reset by holding down the Bluetooth and volume down buttons on the soundbar simultaneously for about 5 seconds. After the reset, reconfigure your system and see if this helps. Fixing a Vizio speaker bar doesn't have to be daunting. These strategies, how to fix Vizio speaker bar issues, becomes manageable, letting you enjoy superior audio once again. Ensure connections are secure, cables are intact, and software is up to date. And remember, if problems persist, a factory reset might be the key to rejuvenating your setup. Thanks for tuning in, and now go enjoy that crystal clear sound.